Assalamualaikum students, how are you? It's math lecture for grade 5 and today our topic is multiplying by 3-digit number. Example is multiply 175 by 412. First we will write both of these numbers in the vertical form and then we multiply these 3 digits, that is 4, 1, 2, 1 by 1 with 175. So let's begin one's digit, that is 2. So let's start. 2 5s are 10, 0 here down and 1 will be carried in the tens column. Then multiply 2 with 7, so 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 1 becomes 15, 5 here down and 1 will be carried in the hundreds column. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 becomes 3. So by multiplying 2 with 175 we get the answer 315. Now it's tens multiplication. 1 5s are 5. Now it's tens multiplication, so write the answer in the tens column and put cross in the ones column. So 1 5s are 5, then 1 7s are 7 and 1 1s are 1. By multiplying 1 with 175 we get the answer 175. Now it's hundreds multiplication. So before starting hundreds multiplication, put cross in the ones and in the tens column and the answer will become in the hundreds column. So 4 5s are 20, 0 in the hundreds column and 2 will be carried above 7. Then 4 7s are 28, 28 plus 2 becomes 30, 0 down and 3 will carry above 1. Then 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 3 becomes 7. So by multiplying 4 with 175 we get the answer 700. Multiplication of these 3 digits is done here. Let's add their answers. By multiplying 2 with 175 we get the answer 350. Then multiply 175 with 1 we get the answer 175, and by multiplying 175 with 4 we get the answer 700. So let's add them. 0 will come down as it is. Then 5 plus 5 becomes 10, 0 here, 1 will be carried above 3. Then 3 plus 1 becomes 4, 4 plus 7 becomes 11, 1 down and 1 will be carried above 1. Then 1 plus 1 becomes 2 and then 7 will come down as it is. So the final answer is 72,100. Example number 2 is 5,045 multiply with 352. First we will write both of these numbers in the vertical form and then we multiply these 3 digits, that is 3, 5, 2, 1 by 1 with 5,045. So let's start. 2 5s are 10, 0 here down and 1 will be carried above 4. Then 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 becomes 9, 2 zeros are 0 and 2 5s are 10. Now it's 5's turn. 5 5s are 25. 5 will come in the tens column and 2 will be carried above 4. Then 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2 becomes 22. 2 will down and 2 will carry above 0. Then 5 zeros are 0. 0 plus 2 becomes 2. So we will write 2 here down and then the last one is 5 5s are 25. Now the multiplication of 3 is 3 5s are 15, 5 down and 1 will be carried. Then 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 becomes 13, 3 down, 1 will be carried above 0. Then 3 zeros are 0, plus 0 plus 1 becomes 1 and the last one is 3 5s are 15. So by multiplying 2 with 5,045 we get the answer 10,090. Then by multiplying 5 with 545, 5,045 we get the answer 25,225, and the last answer of multiplication of 3 is 15,135. So let's add that. 0 will come down as it is. Then 9 plus 5 becomes 14, 4 down and 1 will be carried above. Then 2 plus 1 becomes 3, 3 plus 5 becomes 8. Then the next one is 3 plus 2 becomes 5. The next one is 5 plus 1 becomes 6, 6 plus 1 becomes 1, 7. And the next one is 5 plus 2 becomes 7 and the last one is 1. So the final answer of the multiplication is 17,75,840. Home task. Question is multiply. Now all these 4 parts are your home tasks. Try to attend these questions at home and then submit it in the school for the assessment marks. It's enough for today. Wish you best of luck.